Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Auto Sport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania with a very nice 1993 Corvette Convertible 40th Anniversary Edition with only 38,000 miles. If you haven't watched before, we do a full walk around video, do the exterior, interior, we'll fire it up, we'll show you the top, show you all the lights, and just try to show anything that you might not see in the pictures. If there's anything I missed or that you'd like to see further, you can definitely call me, text me, email me, and I'd be glad to do what I can. That way, whether you're flying in to look at this car, or you're buying it sight unseen, or you're going to come in and drive it home, you know exactly what you're getting, and hopefully it's even nicer in person than I presented in this video. So we always start in the front, work our way around. These cars are basically all the same as far as colors. They're all Rudy Red, exterior, interior, and top, unless they're a coupe. You could get an automatic or a manual, but other than that, other than some options that this car has, they all pretty much came the same. So start in front. The paint on this car the whole way around, I know it's hard to see in the pictures, it's very nice and uniform throughout. There's no spider cracking in the fiberglass or anything like that. There's no major scuffs or scratches. Obviously it's a Corvette, you're not going to have any dents, but just a very clean car overall. You can tell that the owners throughout the years definitely maintained this car really nice. Across the front bumper here, nice and clean. You might find a little stone chip or a dead bug somewhere, but overall really nice. Even the lenses here are nice and clean. A lot of times they can get aged and a little delaminated, but none of that on this one. Front bumper into the hood as well as the passenger door area. Again, everything just lines up really nice. There's a little bit of touch up there that somebody did. Let's see here. All these cars came with the aluminum wheels. These wheels are really nice. There's no curb rash around them. The insides of the wheels are nice. Even the faces, sometimes they have like a clear coat on them that can get faded or start chipping off. None of that on this. Just a nice clean wheel. And it does have a set of Continental extreme contacts on it all the way around. Okay, the windshield here, really clean. There's no cracks that I'm seeing. Even from the windshield wiper being on, there's no streaking or anything like that. Seals around where the convertible top is, and the driver window here, they're not dry rotted. They're really nice and exactly what you want to see from a car that, I mean, it had to have been kept indoors, being as nice as it is. Going across the bottom here, rocker panels, you can see it better in the pictures, but you can see it hasn't been driven up over any parking islands or anything like that. Into the back here, again, nice and uniform, nice shine to it. Power antenna does work, we'll show you that whenever we do the lights. Just a nice clean deck lid. These cars are all manual tops, that's all they offer them this year. They're pretty easy to put up too. There's a button here that kind of hides. Justin, if you want to go over to the other side, I'll put the top up so you can see it. But they're nice easy tops, there's two latches. They kind of fold like an accordion. I'm going to put it back down so we can show you more. But where the convertible top goes is nice and clean. You can see it does have the Bose upgraded stereo system. There's two storage compartments here. I'll put this down for a second. You can see this top is like new. I don't know if it's been replaced or if it is original, but there's no wear marks, singeing, nothing on this. The whole way around is nice. Even the rear window here is nice and clean. It's clear, and there's no yellowing. You can tell that either the top was down or maybe it's been replaced. I don't know, but to be that nice, because this would be a pretty hard color to duplicate. But you can see I'm not going to latch it in, but it actually has a really nice look whenever the top is up, just as it does when it's down. These cars, some of them did come with a hard top. I don't know if this one did or not. I did call down the Corvette Museum and actually have a duplicate window sticker and build sheet coming for it. That'll tell us, but again, I don't have the hard top. Keep in mind, if you're looking at other vets, you can always call down to that Corvette factory and get duplicate window stickers, build sheets, and it's a pretty nice service that they offer. Again, these tops are easy. There's a button here. Fold it back down in, and kind of got to slam them a little bit. That's all you got. Rear bumper here into the deck lid again, nice and uniform. The rear end on this car, all the brake light lens covers, nice and original looking. There's no, again, yellowness or fading to them. Factory dual exhaust, reverse light covers, all good. Corvette designation there in the back. Everything's nice on this car. You'll see a very, very little bit of, from the top being down or a real faint, you're not going to see it in the video, but a line across there if you were getting picky. Okay, going into the passenger side here, again, forgot to mention on that side that all the wheels are just as nice as that front one was. No kind of curb rash or scuffing on them to be concerned about. Okay, driver door, again, just is nice and clean. Okay, again, these cars all came with the Rudy Red interior. Door panels are nice and original. Even the leather, if you've looked at these, you may know, you may have had one, you may have seen it more likely. A lot of these seats get super dry and they really start to show their age. They get cracked, they get beat on the sides of them. The seat bolsters especially get blown out. None of that on this. You see just barely a little bit of marking there, but nothing to get excited about. Dual power seats, that was an option. Upgraded stereo system. A couple other options that this car has. Power mirrors, AC, but and I do have the original owner's manuals for it. The only thing that I can really pick on this car is on the steering column here. There's a plastic cover that covers where the key goes, and there is a little piece that's broke off. You can see it in the pictures. Nothing to get concerned about, and you really don't even see it unless you're looking for it. So, dash area into the console. Some of these cars did have an issue where the dash is lifted up a little bit. A lot of these infotainment systems, or whatever you want to call them, that show, you know, messages and stuff, a lot of those do go over the years. Everything's nice and legible on this. In fact, I'll just fire it up now, show you. See, no kind of dash lights or anything on. Just nice and clean. Everything reads real easily. Everything's working. Power antenna works. And then, of course, in the center here where the miles are, you can see that all lights up nice as well. Well, I have it running here. I might as well do the lights. Close that door. See a reason to do that. I'm not going to go here with this microphone, but keep on. Does have that dual exhaust. These are all 5.7 liter V8s in these. I'm not sure what the horsepower is, so you can easily look it up. Automatic transmission. Everything in here, from what I can tell, is totally original. You know, this is everything you'd want to see. Nobody's been through it with a spray can or tried to make it look nice. Everything is nice. Even the designation here on the covers here on the top of the motor, inside the fenders. And if you're looking for a car that you can get in and enjoy, this should be in consideration. Again, make sure you look at all the pictures, read the description. The Carfax is on the website. And any additional information that I can get to you, I'd be glad to do so. I also, every time I get a car, I have them gone over for Pennsylvania State emissions and inspection. So we do get them gone through pretty good. If you have any questions, definitely give me a call, 724-388-4600. 4930. I appreciate your time, and hopefully we can get this in your garage. So have a good day.